Here's the pumps, the dual pumps. So there's the 585s, and then here's the badass wiring harness. So, boom. So I guess, what is this, the module?
Yep.
So you got the module. There it is right here. So we got ground, and then battery power. And then what, these go to the pump?
Yep.
All right, and then here is got the dual pumps. They said beware of generic pumps. Oh, there it is, the part number F9000, I think 28. He said make sure that number's on there. But yeah, that's it. Freaking sick. Freaking sick. And Brandon is the genius behind the fuel system. HHP. If you need the dual pump for your Hellcat, full assembly, don't cheap out. Just get the whole kit, plug and play wiring harness. It's the way to go. Easy money. So what, the Hellcat only has one pump?
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Man, I just watched the video, and he had these two pumps in his Hellcat, and they started losing freaking PSI after a while.
You know why?
Why?
The freaking disconnector right here.
You think so?
Yeah. It always pops off of this.
And then he freaking went and replaced the pumps, and then it was still doing the same thing.
Yeah,
so it's that?
It pops off of this.
Does it really?
Just
How?
a little bit, and then it loses pressure past it.
Wow. So how do we ensure this?
Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to zip tie it to it and keep it.
Yeah, over this. Good. Yeah. See, how'd you know that? Because you had a car coming in with the same symptom? Multiple?
Yeah.
Why? Because what, they were just pushing them on there over the sleeve?
Well, because they're supposed to come with safety clips. There's a red clip that goes over the original. And I haven't seen one yet, but Josh says that there is.
We won't speak of his name. So did the chick even meet you yesterday?
No, she said today. So.
She'll come to you?
She said we'll meet in the restaurant. This is always the hardest one because they put it so close. It's annoying.
Who's that? Hi.
Hello.
Morning.
Morning.
What's that? What?
That's my sister.
Okay. Messing up there again.
Huh?
Alright, here's what the fuel pumps look like in the tank. There they are. Oh yeah, ready to go. This should solve our problems. This should be what, good for 1,000 rear wheel on the 85? Brandon?
Yep.
This is Brandon the genius. This is the best Hellcat Mopar technician I've ever met. Badass. Answers all of my stupid questions. You know, I'm a Chevy guy, but this Mopar stuff I'm new to. He's basically, it's the same thing, but a little bit different. And he knows all the tricks. Yeah. All right. Easy money. Okay, so out here we have the harness. There we go. So all these panels here, they get removed. And then I I mean, everything literally is, I paid extra, but this is all literally piggybacking off of the regular system, plug and play stuff here. This guy goes to, as you can see, ground. The other wire is battery, and then there's one more, and then one more ground right there, and that's it. Everything else plugs right in, man. I mean, it doesn't get much more easier than this. All right, let's do it. Tip of the day, guys. If you do not put zip ties on that hose, eventually all the pressure will push it off. Brandon has experienced it in at least 3 or 4 different Hellcats with the dual pump. It slips off of here, and the only way to get the safety clip that comes with it, which it's not there when we open it, it wasn't in there, it goes underneath, is to buy the entire hose from the dealership, a couple $100. So he says this will work. It's held in the past. He hasn't had any problems with it, so we're gonna go ahead and go with it. But yeah, it's looking good. We're ready to wire it in.
At the bottom so you can put all the short screws in.
Yeah, I watched a video of a dude trying to do this. He freaking was crying and couldn't do it.
Yeah, it's easy. Just lift it up.
Had to have his wife come in and help.
Just lift it up like that. Boom. Lift these two. Set it down and then put the screws in.
Nice, nice.
Easy money.
And fellas, I was trying to burn the gas, the E85. I wasn't able to, so we have a half a tank. That's why the car is tilted like you see here on the driveway. We're tilted so that we can get the gas to the other side of the car. Damn, that looks badass. And you know, it's just easier when the E85's out of your way so he can wire stuff in, but he's making it happen, man. That's what the pros do. That's what separates the men from the boys. No matter what, the men get it done. The boys just sit there and cry about it. Dude, this car looks sick right now, Brandon. Look at your driveway with the reflection of your house and like the concrete. Wow. On a second note, on the way here, these tires, 20 by 11 and a half, 305, 35, 20, 888Rs. In 4th gear at 75 miles an hour, I punched it and it freaking broke loose and spun. It was like the craziest, scariest, uncontrolled feeling I'd never want to feel again. You ain't gonna win any race like that. You're gonna die. So I think after this, after we do these pumps and the other pulley, the Grip Tech pulley, the 265, we're gonna go with, I'm just gonna ride with the 17 by 11 and a half Mickey Thompson drag radio at all times. I mean, I love the way these rims look, but dude, like, I'll keep that one, but this guy has got to have a big slick because it's just dangerous. I got mouths to feed. I can't be dying on the road. Okay, so here we go here. Let's do the wiring. So we're gonna disconnect the booster pump and leave it dangling until we need it. And then when we do need it, Z said just wire it into one pump. Did he have a dual booster pump too? huh?
Yeah. Yeah, the Demon booster pump.
Just the Demon, or is it the one that comes, the Kenny Bell Demon? Okay. Well, we're almost there. We got freaking I went with the 265 because that one dude, he did it with without the ported blower, and he showed his numbers, and he just had the 10% lower. That's the only thing that I don't have that he has. Do you know how much boost he was making? All right, so I'm on HP tuners. Fuel pumps were installed. Everything's looking good. I just got this new revised version of the tune and from the tuner, and he wants me to do 2 gears wide open throttle. So it's going to be interesting because this thing is just letting loose in 4th gear. So I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to do here, but we're gonna give it a shot. I might have to set the camera down because I don't have my GoPro stuff, so bear with me. All right, tires are warm. I'll do it one more time. Felt great. Alright, well, I'm getting some kind of vibration. I don't like it at all. I need to check into that. Vibration is not good. Alright, let me pull over, load that tune, and send it. Okay, we are home now. There's some brand new slicks right there. We just got back to the house, and everything worked out very good. The tune, oh my gosh. Z is a freaking genius, man. This car is running like a freaking monster. So here's what he needed to see. So let's see here. We had fuel pressure issues. That one pump and the booster pump, garbage. I mean, anybody that gets a booster pump with one pump and they're making over 850 rear wheel, you're going to have problems. So what we were seeing was in the RPM band about right here, about 6,000 RPM, fuel pressure would drop down to like 54. So it's okay to be at 54 when you're just cruising and you're idling and stuff. But watch here as we start climbing here. So there's the speedometer. You can see the RPMs are going up. Fuel pressure's going up, 70. We're at 70. We're at 72. I'm sliding. I'm shifting. Goes down, shift. I'm wide open now. Now we're at, look, we're at freaking 7,000, and I'm still holding 82 PSI on the fuel pump. Then I go again. I'm in 4th now, I think, here. And boom, I hit the red line again, 84. So it is just staying right there. Boom. Hit it again, red line. And then I do one more right here. Fuel pressure goes back down. This is the dual pumps, by the way, if you're new to the channel. So here we go. We're going to climb. We start climbing. Boom, we're at freaking 5,800 or something like that. We're at 85 PSI. 61, 63. We're still at 84 PSI. Boom. Shifting, coming down. So you can see right where it counts. 6,500. We're at 84 PSI. So this was a success. We are all good in the hood. This car is dialed in, so it's got dual pumps. So we got a surprise coming here soon. I'm not going to tell the viewers yet, but I'm trying to make a reliable 1,000 horsepower to the wheel daily driver. So let's send this over to Z, get everything revised, let them check it out, and we will go from there. Thank you for viewing. Yeah, so thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging out with the channel. I appreciate you guys. I miss you guys. It's been a while. I probably got like 5 or 6 videos unedited, raw, and uncut. I just got to get them done. I'm a busy ass dude. I apologize, guys, but if you're back on the channel and you're watching the channel, thank you. I miss you. I love you. I'll see you guys soon. Lots of Camaro and Hellcat content to come. It just needs to be edited, and I'm gonna freaking keep y'all in the loop with the 2 cars. So like I said, 1000 horsepower daily driver. Camaro got some goodies coming. Hellcat got some goodies coming. Stay tuned for that. Peace.